It's just coronavirus. Just kidding. Today we've decided we're going to make our own hand sanitizer. I don't know if any of you have experienced what we have, but the shelves are completely wiped clean of all hand sanitizers. The good ones, the organic ones, the ridiculously expensive ones, the cheap ones, all of them, they're gone. Today we went to Sprouts and what we found on the shelf was a recipe where the hand sanitizers would be. Yes, were.
R.I.P. hand sanitizer.
Yes.
Now, though, new ones will be birthed.
So there are two hand sanitizer recipes we have. We have one that uses rubbing alcohol and another that uses no rubbing alcohol and relies on essential oils.
And I did not know that. And let's see the oils or using thieves oil. So thieves oil.
Don't steal it.
Don't steal it. So basically there were these thieves during the plague.
That's
or
right.
Whatever it was.
In Europe, where a
in
third
Europe.
of the population died.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah, and so the thieves would take the bodies out, but then they would steal their stuff. But they couldn't steal it because it had all the bad stuff on it. So they would use the thieves oil, and it would basically take off all the bacteria, and it was like a mix of like leaves and like oils and stuff.
Well, yeah, a special blend of certain oils that protected them from the plague. Recently, not too long ago, some research was done.
And they traced it.
Yes, and they figured out which oils comprise thieves oil. We got ours from a company called Young Living. We trust them. I think it's actually edible. I'm not going to eat it, but okay. Bless you. Don't worry. We're under quarantine. You're all safe. At first, let's start with the recipe
Without it?
that does involve it. That does involve rubbing alcohol. This only has 3 ingredients. It's kind of amazing.
And this is the one that we found at Sprouts.
So, we used 24 drops of this Rescue Charm by Acacia. 24, as well as 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel.
And we have a really cute little lemon. And it's for 1/3 cup.
That's
exactly.
Then, and 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol. So again, that's 24 drops of Rescue Charm, 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel, and 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol. Now, one thing the CDC says, they recommend that hand sanitizers have at least 60% rubbing alcohol, and this does qualify under that. So, here we go. Do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
Do you want to fill up the 1/3 cup?
Yes. Whoa, I can make slime with this.
Let's show.
Oh my gosh, it's so wobble.
Can you see it?
Whoa, yeah.
Good. Okay, so here's our 1/3 cup of aloe vera. Next, we're going to do 2/3 cup of the rubbing alcohol. It's crazy because this stuff is so hard to find. In you go. Get in there. Oh my God, are you okay?
It smells so bad. Tyler should add some, in editing, he should add some green fumes. Cute green fumes.
Yeah, it's totally just like, whoa. Rubbing alcohol is very strong. Now, we're going to add in, how many drops, do you remember?
25, 24.
That's right, 24. You want to count them?
Yeah. 21, 22, 23, 24. The director claps.
This is pretty good.
Yeah.
This is going to last a while. So we got ourselves 3 different sizes.
1
ounce, 2 ounces,
and 3
4
ounces.
ounces. No, and 4 ounces. 4.
So this one is the type of one that you would carry if you just want to put it in your purse. You want a little bit, you want to share some with your friends. Or you maybe don't. Sacred. This is the kind that you can just carry in your purse, carry with you anywhere. And then this is the kind if you're just being lazy and you just want to nap, but you want to put on a little bit of hand sanitizer, I don't know why, before you go to bed. And you just spray some on and you just set it by your nightstand. You know you got that hand sanitizer. You could actually flex with this.
Because we made so much, we'll go ahead and use this 4-ounce bottle. So one thing to know, this aloe vera gel is super slippery. So don't break your precious new invention here.
Yeah.
Give it a nice shake. I'm going to test it on myself first. Oh! Just kidding. Okay, let's see what happens here.
How does it feel?
It feels fine. Let me see. I now smell like a medical doctor. I think I'm really clean. Oh, but it's kind of pleasant. It has, did you use it yet?
No.
It has a really pleasant after scent, actually. The cameraman's gonna try it now. Daddy.
Yes.
What do you think, guys?
I feel like a walking hospital.
Don't breathe it in right away because it does have a lot of alcohol. And most importantly, this can fight an attacker. This can fight the coronavirus.
This can fight everything. It will take on the world.
We're now going to make the hand sanitizer that does not use rubbing alcohol.
No rubbing alcohol. Because it's really hard to find. We got really lucky.
And found the last bottle within 50 miles.
50 miles.
So here's what it takes. It takes just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 8 to 10 drops of thieves oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the last is going to be distilled water.
Oh, that's water? That's vinegar.
It's just water, but it's distilled water. It's cleaner.
I'm nervous. I can't talk. I can't move.
You can do it. Okay. Then all we have to do, be a statue. Put the lid on. I free you a statue hood.
My eyes are watering up there.
You want to do the honors and shake it up?
Shake, shake, shake.
Turn it upside down. Give it a good little shake. Okay, give me your hands. Wait. Okay. How's it smell?
Oh my
Amazing.
gosh, it smells good. I recommend this one. It was used by the plague people.
Oh wow, this smells really good. It smells a little bit like cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's not cinnamon, it's thieves oil, but maybe there's some cinnamon in thieves oil. I'm
feel
kind
the
of
salt.
thinking so. Oh yeah, there is.
Clove. Yeah, bud oil, citrus lemon, lemon peel oil, cinnamon, zeligizum, cinnamon bark. Ow, it stings my hand.
No wonder it's all edible. They're basically like spices. So that was as easy as can be.
It stings like a
I guess you don't want to get it into a cut. I have a little cut. It didn't really bother me. We can create 2 of these 1-ounce spray bottles, as well as make another batch of this bigger bottle.
Yeah.
So we've got some that we can give to our family and friends, or we can carry them in purses and backpacks.
And if you want to be lazy by your nightstand. And if you got allergies, actually, be careful. Try a little bit first.
Yeah, that's interesting. It's going to be a very clean counter here.
Oh, yeah.
Very
Oh,
clean.
my gosh. This will fight off any disease.
Voila. Thank you so much.
Like
And subscribe.
and turn on post notifications.
And keep away those coronavirus germs.